Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm in Blackpool. I've come back for one reason. I was here about 2 months ago in June and I did a review of a fish and chip shop known as the Yorkshire Fisheries. As a result of that video going up on my channel, I've had hundreds of comments regarding other places to visit. So today I thought I'll come back to Blackpool and I'll visit another fish and chip shop and have my lunch there. So today, on your request, I'm going to see what the Tower Fisheries has to offer. It's not far from the Yorkshire Fisheries, but first of all, this is not a compare video. This is me doing a total different review on a different cafe stroke restaurant called the Tower Fisheries. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is not a comparison with any other premises that I've been to. I'm doing this video because you requested for me to do it. So I'm at the Tower Fisheries. I'm just having a quick look at the menu and you can compare the videos. The last fish and chip shop or fish and chip restaurant that I was in, I will leave a link down below so you can compare them and tell me what you think. So let's have a little look at the menu. So I'm going to try the single course, which is special cod chips, mushy peas with tea and bread and butter. Oh, that was ready very quick. So there you have fish, chips, mushy peas, bread and butter and a cup of tea, all for £6.95. Let's see what the fish is like, see if it's crispy. Let's see how flaky the cod is. I've already tried the batter. The batter is really crispy. And I don't know if you can see that cod on the fork. The batter is very crispy. Unfortunately, I love vinegar and I've smothered in vinegar, but it is a crispy batter and a flaky fish. Very tasty. Let's try the mushy peas. They're very nice. I've had loads of mushy peas before, but these have got, I don't know, can you say that they actually taste more of a pea? Yeah, everything seems fine. And I'll come back to the price for £6.95. You can't argue with that either. I'm going to finish this and I'll see you in a minute. Right, it's gone a little bit quieter now. 10 out. I did ask before, is it like this all the time? Is it very busy? But I think with the children being off, it's probably busier than what it should be. But they did turn on and say you never really get a quiet time. Anyhow, verdict on the meal. The batter, the fish, lovely. Chips, well, chips can be chips. I did love the mushy peas. But the main thing about this meal is the price. £6.95 for fish chips, mushy peas, bread and butter, and a cup of tea. Not a pot. Can't argue with that. So my verdict is, would I come back again? Yes, I would. Comparison to other places, I'll leave that up to you. You have a look at the other videos. I'll leave a link in for another fish and chip stroke cafe that I visited a couple of months ago. I'll leave that down below this video, so you can click on that one and you can have a look around some of my other food reviews. That brings me to a close for this video, nothing else I can say. I'm in the Tower Fisheries on Topping Street in Blackpool. Not far from North Pier and just round the corner from Blackpool train station. So I'm going to bring this video to a close. From me, Paul, at Who Knows Where, here in Topping Street at the Tower Fisheries in Blackpool. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm off now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.